Okay guys, so yeah, this video is for those of you that say you are having difficulties navigating around CapCut or VN video editors. Now CapCut is a mobile video editor. It also has a desktop or a laptop version of it that you can actually do your video sharp. It's a sharp thing. It's not sophisticated like Premiere Pro and the rest, but Premiere Pro is for bigger projects like editing movies and other bigger projects. You can also use it for your content creation editing team, but you need a laptop and it takes time. But with CapCut is like a mobile video editor. So there's another app called VN, just VN. It's also they are similar. So this video here, I actually did a video like a step by step how you can start, like a general background knowledge of how you can start. I believe if you go through this tutorial video, you should understand that you can actually start this whole thing simple as this. So if you have any other question, you can ask in my WhatsApp channel or just send an email or something. That CapCut and VN, they look similar a bit, you understand? Now CapCut has a pro version of it, but also there's a free version that you can actually use and do everything that you can even create with the pro. Is that here with this version your creativity is different. Now so when you open CapCut, this is what you will see. This is like the interface of what you will see on CapCut. Meanwhile, when you come to VN, when you open VN, this is what you will see. This is the interface of VN. So I'm even thinking that it's a copyright. Now VN has a lot of these beautiful things, ideas that can just spice up your head. You can play along with VN and create magic things if you really understand editing. But again, I feel like VN has more simplicity in the interface. I mean, when you click on project, you understand, it has more simplicity inside the interface than CapCut. You understand? There are things you do on CapCut that you need to like use your head and double for everything. Now, CapCut also has these functions like photo editing, direct camera, auto cut, product photos, collabs, AI posters, AI model retouch, and all those kind of things. CapCut has also. Let's just say we click on new project here. I want to just show you guys how the both interface is. So we'll click on new project here. Let me just go to videos. It's on videos. Let me just look for a random video. Just put in. Now, if you want to do picture, like you want to do picture videos, you can just click on your photos. Like you see photos here, you see videos here, you see photos here. Click on it, select the number of photos that you want. You can select as many pictures as you like. It doesn't matter. You understand? Then, so let's say we want to edit a video. Maybe like we have a video. So let me use this video example. So we are using this video for case study. So now I have added the one video is loading inside CapCut. Now let me show you the difference between CapCut and the VN. So when you come to VN, you click on new project. It will still take you here. So you can see it has videos, it has photos at the top. So let's see videos. Let me take the same video that I'm using. So we click on videos and click on next, and then it's going to open. So now look at the difference between this is the interface of VN and the interface of CapCut. Are you seeing it different? Now on CapCut, I will have to click on add audio, add all these things, Bennett the main video. You understand? Before you can start creating. CapCut has edit, overlay, and everything under here. So those who say do not use CapCut, I'm going to edit one of these videos for you in the next video. So I will show you like a starter for a foundation on how CapCut. I'm already telling you the difference between this is like the difference between VN and CapCut, but I'm going to make a video on how you can use CapCut and also how you can use VN. So now in VN already has tap to add music, tap to add subtitle, tap to add sticker. So to me personally, I feel like VN makes editing more easier and smart for people who don't really know much about editing because everything is there. Now this is the watermark of VN. You can see the watermark is here, directed by where you can just put your name. CapCut doesn't have this feature, so you can just double click and then you put your name there. You can zoom in. You can zoom in so you know what you're doing. Because once I click on it, you see keyframe and everything is there. So that is just how it was. But me, I don't like putting all these things when I'm doing it, so I'll just delete it and it's off. You can see that the video has reduced. So the same thing to CapCut. When you come to CapCut, scroll to the end of the video, you see that this TikTok thing will come out. So click on it. Just click on it like this TikTok ending thing. A lot of people used to put it in their videos, and when the video and this thing will show, it's not professional. Click on it and then you delete it. It's as simple as that, removing the watermark from your video on TikTok, on what's it called, on CapCut. So now CapCut, you can see, you can click edit here. You see split, speed, animations, and everything. So you just, there is no specific way you want to design. You just have to play around it and be creative. But the more you are using CapCut, the more you are using it, that is the more you get to understand, you get to know it. That is just how it is. So everything here, it has noise reduction, it has audio effects, it has reverse, opacity. Opacity is to reduce the velocity of the video. You can see, to increase, that is what opacity does. You understand? Then motion blue, replace, duplicate, can duplicate it, the video will extend. You understand? Can duplicate. I don't want to duplicate. Let me just delete it. Can duplicate the video. You can do a lot of things with the video. Now CapCut also has text. When you click here, you see auto caption. Means if this girl is saying something and I click on auto caption, the thing will tell me to pick this type of font I want to use. There are free ones here. When you see pro, means you pay for it. You can pick any of this style of font that is free. Click generate. The AI inside the CapCut will automatically listen to what the person inside the video is saying and then to write it down. But this one, she's singing this Davido's Igbo song, Maramu Maramu Maramu. This doesn't listen to Igbo. So you can add text, you can add stickers. Auto caption. Auto caption is, if you click on the auto caption, like I told you, same thing. Then text to audio. So there is text to audio where you can just click and then you add like a prompt of what you want to do. You add like whatever you want to write there, text to audio. So those things now, it also has AI writer, but that is on the pro. Look at it here. So there is AI writer here, but it's only on the pro. You understand? Then, but you can actually use it for simple writing. Just write your prompt here and then to turn it to audio automatically. So it means you can use CapCut to generate audio for your videos. So those of you who have money to pay for 11 labs and Play HD, you can use CapCut to actually do that, to generate that. And I believe that CapCut, what's it called, Premium will not be that expensive. Then you also write auto lyrics. You can also draw. It has a couple of functions. This is aspect ratio to change the shape of the video. This is for TikTok, YouTube, this, that. So you just play along and choose your preferable one. You can also adjust the color, which is called in normal editing, in Premiere Pro editing, another big editing software. We'll call this one color grading. You can increase the brightness of the video, or you can reduce the brightness of the video. You can see, you can just do the contrast of the video. Whatever you want to do, you can just play along. You can increase the sharpness, blah blah blah. You can then, I just do anything along. So this is how it works. Understand? You see CapCut, it has filters here. You can see a lot of filters that you will see on CapCut. You can see adjust, you can see videos. So that is just it. And it also has what does CapCut have? CapCut has a lot of things. It has transitions to when you're editing your video, then audio. Sorry about that. When you click on audio, you see sound. Click on sound, then you can now add sounds that are in your phone. So when you click on this thing here, whenever you see this thing, it means file, like home file inside your phone. Whenever I see this thing anyway, I know that it's talking about files inside your phone. So you can just click on this one. If you click on this one, you see device below. Once you click device, it will show the songs inside your phone. These are the songs inside my phone. I don't have a lot of music in my phone. These are the songs inside your phone. So you can take the songs and put. Now, the reason why I don't like using all these CapCut free songs here, because sometimes you post the songs and you end up that they are under copyright. There are people's songs. I don't use them. So what I do is I just go to YouTube or anywhere, and then there are free. When you go to YouTube Studio, you can get free songs that are copyright free, that are they are made for this kind of purpose. You use them for this kind of thing. You understand? I don't know how much is a this is text to audio extracts, sound effects. Sound effects is like sound effect. All those noises used to make pew 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 pew. All those kind of noise. Those are sound. You can see horror, transition, magic. To make your video look somehow, if you want to add sound effects, you can come here. Let me see how much is your premium. Click on this fire here. CapCut desktop is here. Okay, I have the desktop in my phone. That's not what I want. Come in. I want to know how much is the premium. I want to know how much is the pro. So where are we going to do? What are we going to do? Let's click on effect, body effect. No. Let's click on captions. Okay, so this is pro. Let me see. I just want to see how much they're charging for their pro. I don't even know, sir. I never thought edit your video podcast in one click. I'm trying to get where. Okay, let me just cancel you like this first. Trying to get where I could just connect to their pro. Okay, this is the pro. Let me see how much is the charge of the pro. It's not cost now. 1 year, 1 month, 13,000 naira. For a month, 13,000 for 1 month. Then for 1 year, 99,900. If you are paying yearly, 99,900 is almost 100,000. Then if you are paying monthly, it's 13,000 to use their app and everything inside for free and do your creating thing. So that's for CapCut. Then when we go to 11 Labs, 11 Labs has everything in front of us. Like that's how it was created. You can see it. Like if you want to add music now, we just call it music effect. You can also record directly. You can also record directly to 11 Labs. You can add effect on it, everything. Then when we cancel, then you click on tap to add text. The same thing, see text and SRT file. This SRT file is like a file you can import directly from your phone. Let's click on text. So it will take us to their text. They did it like CapCut. So they have a lot of designs. You can see they have default, they have cover, they have title, they have subtitle. There are unlimited things you can actually create with all this software with just your phone, and you're making good videos, you're creating good content out of it here. So that's just it. And when you are editing, you are seeing this plus sign, which definitely means add another video. Once you click on it like this, to take it to where you can add another video. If you don't want to add video, you want to add image, you can click on photos. Then to take to where photos is, pick the exact photo you want to use, and then once you pick the photo, you click next, and the photo is there. You're not adding anything, so we just go back. So there is no cost for alarm. You can always, at every point, play along this software to understand how it really works. So the same thing, you see filters, you see trim, you see FX, you see split. The same things that are in the CapCut are here. You see speed, you see volume, you see fade, you see crop, you see rotate, you see mirroring. Those people that are doing that are editing videos, they are taking movies, doing movie recap. This is what they use, mirroring. Let me show you. See that if I click mirror, the girl has changed. Yeah, this is let's say this is the license one, and I take this license video here, and I click mirroring. It means that the video is no longer licensed under that camera. This is a new video on its own. You understand? Except they license both side of the video. They license the left view and the right view. That is when they will now ban this video. But if they license just one part and I turn it to the other part, it will not ban the video. It's my original content. You understand? Then there is BG. BG is actually to remove background. That is the essence of BG. BG, background remover. Oh, that is the company. So color grading and everything, border, blur. So like a lot of things. So it's something you can always play along. Just play around. You understand? Just play around it. And I think for now, I think is VN is 100% free for now. VN is 100% free for now. If you want to change the shape of the video, just click on this original. You can see, you can change the shape of the video to anything that you want. Okay, I think VN is what's it called? Excuse me, coming. Okay, this is like saving it. I think it has premium. Let me see. Okay, VN Pro. It has a Pro. Okay, folders unlimited. Unlimited. So that's the screen. I think you have to pick one. I don't know. Okay, we had trouble fetching your data. Try again in a few moments. I think it's the network or something. So I think that's just anything about. Okay, I'm not logged in, so I have to log in for me to be able to pay for the premium. That's why I'm not logged in. So once I create an account and I logged in, that is when I can pay for the premium. But I believe that it's not going to be as expensive as what's it called, as CapCut. Secondly, they also have a marketplace for designs. You can see, I click on search and then it brought me here. There's a marketplace for designs, but that's not why we're here. We have to create videos to show you how you can create videos. So this is also, if you're not using CapCut, you should be using VN. These two have, they are good. So instead you're using CapCut or you're using VN, just know what you're doing and then you're good to go.